Hey, congratulations on taking the first step to have more freedom in your business, which is clicking on this link. Hi, my name is Carolyn O'Neill. I'm an empowerment and stoked coach and also business strategist for emerging female entrepreneurs, creatives, and business owners. I want to invite you to come join me March 3rd at the Staples Spotlight Center for an in-person workshop called Calendar Your Freedom. This is going to be perfect for any emerging female entrepreneur, a chick who's had a side hustle for many months or maybe many years and wants to actually step into that power of entrepreneurship. Maybe a business owner that wants to kind of recalibrate. This is for any lady leader that wants to kind of up level and get super focused and clear on what the strategies are going to be on the next steps. And yes, we're also going to cover a lot of digital tools and how you can leverage digital to make your week and your month and your targets a hell of a lot easier to attain and give you nice little reminders. So I invite you to join me and other emerging female business owners and entrepreneurs March 3rd at the Staples Spotlight Center in Costa Mesa, where we are going to learn how to prioritize the right projects first, feel more confident in the professional next steps, and how to create more freedom in your own actual shero's journey. So again, I welcome you and invite you to come join us March 3rd. If you have any questions, feel free to email me directly, carolyn@dreambiggerdigital.com, and you can register for the event at dreambiggerdigital.com/freedom. Please RSVP as space will be limited, and I am so super excited and stoked to meet you all individually and in person March 3rd. So if you have any questions, again, details below. Otherwise, come dream with us, and we'll see you in March. Mwah.